Welcome to our home. First thing that you notice is this beautiful fireplace that my husband created using GenStone products. This is in Desert Sunrise and it's perfect for our Mediterranean look. He found it easy to install, and it was great because Travis was a huge help and we were able to get a sample in that we eventually used towards the rest of our projects. Another project we did in the house was this hallway with the same material. Turned out beautifully, and it was really easy for him to do. We still have to stain the doorway. We also used it on our bar. Travis is great to work with. The product is amazing. And give it a try, you'll be pleased.